Hey there! Today we are going to chat about how to set up your Samsung phone to automatically change its wallpaper. If you're looking for a dynamic background, we have come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, open up the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down through the menu. Next, tap on Wallpaper and Style. After that, tap on Change Wallpaper. Now, keep scrolling down. Then, find the Wallpaper Services option and tap on it. In this section, you will see a variety of options for wallpaper styles. Before you choose one, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled. Once you're ready, pick a style that catches your eye and tap Download. It might take a few moments to download, so be patient. After that, lock your screen and check out your new wallpaper in action. And there you have it. Hope this guide helps spruce up your Samsung phone's display. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.